Today I'm at the Brazel consignment sale in Winfield, Kansas. They have a sale in February, last Saturday of every year. I'll show you some of the stuff that they have to sell here. It's like a lot of stuff sells for new, hot, more than new. Some stuff, you know, if you really need it, you know, it's a pretty good deal. But usually lasts. There's so much stuff here that usually lasts from 8:30 to 5 o'clock. 5:30. They have anything from stock trailers, flatbed trailers, shipping containers, combines, tractors, discs, balers. Got grapples, grapples for skid steers, a skid steer. You got bunks, feed bunks, grain bunks, hay bunks. There's even a overhead cube van. I'll show you a little bit I'll do a little video of some of the stuff they have. I'm interested in these things here. You put them in your fence line. You don't have to dig a hole this way, and you can run your side-by-side or four-wheeler through a gate, go into another pasture without opening up a gate. There's a huge cube van up there. There's 3 of these little things. A guy online on Marketplace sells these for $1,000 a piece, but they're a little heavier built than what these are. They have actual pipe going across instead of sucker rod that they got on these. Here's what I'm mostly interested in, these 20-foot feed troughs and these heavy-duty looking hay bunks that are right here.
And all that. Yeah, that's what they're
sold $5,200. Buyer number 256 256. We're going to back up right over here. This gentleman right here. Sir, your key. Exactly what was wrong with it. I don't think it was the whole lot, but it doesn't run. Yes, It doesn't run, but sell that little buggy right there. Looks like you could have a lot of fun if you did get it running. 500, 500, 500, now 600. And now $600. 500
Now I'm actually clear east of where I was filming a minute ago. There's like a pasture out here that is literally lines and lines of stuff. It's further than I've ever seen.
Yes, sir. Oh my word, that thing is smooth and quiet. Mercy, a Gravely mower got all the attachments with it, fellas. There's a nice piece of equipment. You can walk behind it or you can ride behind it. How about that? Somebody give $1,000 for it. Let's go. $1,000. $1,000. $1,000. Yeah, $1,000. 500. And 200. Yeah, 203. Add 2, 3, 2. It's right here. 300. Add 200. 200. 200. Down 3. And 300. 300. 4. And 400. 450. 400. 450. 400. 450. 400. 400. 4 quarter. 4 quarter. 425. 4 quarter. 4 quarter. 400 quarter. 425. Now 4 quarter. 4 quarter. 950 to 303. Hey guys, a nice hydraulic cattle chute right here. Yep, a nice big hydraulic cattle chute right there. Somebody get $3,000 for it. And $3,000 now, but it be 3, 3, now, but it be now $3,000 now, but 3, but it be now 3,000. And 3 here, now, but it be now $3,000, 2,000. And 2 now, but it be 2,000, 2,250, 2,200 now, but 2,000. Here we go, 2,200 and a half, 2,200 and a half, now, but it be 2,200 and a half, 2, now, but it be 2,200 and a half, now 5, 25, 7, 750, but it be 3, 3, 3, now 2 and a half, 3250, 35, 100, 4, 4, now, but it be 4,500. Now 5,000, 4750, 4700, now 45, it'll be 7,500, 45, it'll be 7,500, 5,000, and 5 here, now it'll be 5, it'll be 5, 4,800, 4,800, now 9, 48 now, 9, now it'll be 9, now it'll be 48, it'll be 900, 48 now, 9, now it'll be 900, now it'll be now 9, 48 now, it'll be now 900, now it'll be now 9, 4,900, 4,900, 48 now, 9, now it'll be now 9. 4,900, 5,000, 5,000, sir, it'll be 5, 5, 5, now it'll be 5, and 5 here, it'll be now 5,000, now it'll be now 5, $5,000, sold 4,900, 183.
115, sold 140, buyer 401, that's times 10, times 10. Okay, guys, still the fertilizer deal right here. It means 25 for it. It's 25 for it. 25 $10 on it, 10 on the tote, 10, 15. No, you said it's 15, 10, 15, going down 15. You're 5, 25, it's 25. Anyhow.
Usually when they have that,
Okay, guys, I got 7 attires. 3 of them. You can take as many sets as you want. They're all pretty good.
I would have to go lined up there.
100 for 100. I got 100 for 100. 100. I got 100 now. 100 blue. I got 150. 150 on it. 50, 75, and 75. Down quarter. I have 1.5, and 75. You 175. One name without 75 2.
James here. You're watching The Poor Farm. If you like these videos, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.